Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open your uh, control center on Apple Vision Pro. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So basically to open your control center is that easy. You will need just to have this icon here and then you will need just to tap on this control center. And basically to have this icon here that will show on your screen, you will need just to have another icon that will show on the top of your view. So basically you will need just to be watching to the top of the view. So this section will be your Vision Pro view, and then you will need just to focus your eyesight on the top in the middle. And basically by seeing here, you will have this icon. You will need just to tap on it and then it will spawn or it will show this menu here. And basically by showing this menu, you will need to go to the control center. By clicking on this icon here, this is the control center. Those are the environments where you can have a full immersion, and here where you can have your home view, where you can access your applications. And basically in the upper control center, you will have where you can connect with the Wi-Fi, the plane mode, you can have Bluetooth and other immersion or connection, like if you want to connect with your Mac, and also you can here create your guest user and mirroring to your computer. And those are some mirroring on other phones or on other screen if you want like to share the view with other people of your environment. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.